Hello everyone and thanks for hanging out with me. Today I want to talk to you about my test drive with the... Let's reflect on the test drive with the Kia E-Niro. It was a 64 kilowatt hour battery, premium edition, had everything. And I had it for an hour or so, so this is very short, of course, not for a few days. But I learned a lot about the car. I learned that it doesn't drive exactly like the Hyundai Kona, which I thought would be the same, but they have the same motor and same battery, different cells, but same battery size, same infotainment system, a different instrument cluster that I don't like at all in the Kia E-Niro. It looks childish and cheap, and in the Hyundai, in the Kona, it looks way better. What I was surprised is that they configured the regen in a different way, and I like the Kona better. The regen was even in level 3 was softer, not as strong as in the Kona, and it was a bit sad. When you press the brake pedal, you get a bit more regen, and then it comes to the level that the Kona has. But just from the start, it's not there, and that was a bit sad. Otherwise, it put down the power better, because I think that Kia changed the power distribution a bit, so you don't have full torque right away. It ramps up a bit, and when you're from a standstill, press the button, press full acceleration, you don't have spinning wheels like you have in the Kona, and that's a bit better. Size-wise, it's great. It's just passengers on the back seats have way more space. That's nice. I don't need that space, but for people who need it, that's awesome. And the trunk is bigger too. And another thing, what they have, what the Kona doesn't have, the Kona has vents or air vents under the front seats for the people in the back. But the Kia Niro has ones in the middle, and that's of course nicer for the people in the back to get warm or get cooled. And they also have USB in the back, as I can recall, 12-volt outlet, and the premium edition even has a normal socket. So in Germany, a Schuko with 230 volts. It's a great idea. So for long traveling. Charging and everything, top speed is the same as in the Kona. I think when I was driving it, the last car I was driving was the Kona, and the Kona blew me away. It was just amazing. And then because of the E-Niro, so similar, but then things that I don't need were in there. So like I said, the size and stuff, that's just not what I need. But when it comes to regen, something that's very important to me, that it was not as good as in the Kona, and so overall I was a bit negative with the car. But now that I have driven even more cars, so the I-Pace and the Audi e-tron, it's way better than those. So driving the E-Niro is right, for me, is right behind the Kona. It's a really great car. And if you can get one, get one. That's all I'm saying. I really liked it, and I was not nice to it because a few weeks before that I drove the Kona, and the Kona was exactly my thing. That was the problem. So check it out. It's great. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.